I'm Jim Cameron, a member of the Mid-North Coast Machinery Restoration Club. This engine we got here is Tangye, 15 horse. We got it from out of Wild Creek, just out of Maxwell. It was a pumping engine for when the steam trains were on the road. They used to pump into a big tanker and fill up the steam trains. It's only been run a couple of times since we've had it, we've restored it to this stage, but we've still got a fair bit to do on it. We do have all the pumping gear in the shed over there, which we normally lay it out on the ground so people can see what it's like, get some idea of the size of it. But I assume it was a reasonably large model, the pumping engine at the time, because the pump's very big. 6-inch bore on 3 pumps to suck it out of the creek down a couple of miles back out the road.
That one would have had a magneto on it, not necessarily heated up because, as you know, you only have blow torches in and it takes so long. So that would have a magneto, just rock it a bit and start it. So that might have been every day or second day they had to come down, start it till the tank was full.
The Old Machinery magazine. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of any new videos.